901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they.
So today's video is gonna be a what I eat in a day type of video. I haven't quite done a video like this on my channel yet, but I personally like watching these types of videos and I find them low-key interesting. So I thought I would film one for you guys because also, you guys follow me on my Instagram as RXO. You guys know that a lot of times I like to post my meals and the things that I eat on my Instagram story. Like, you know, Instagram has a little story things on the top now. So a lot of times people will be curious to what I eat and I post it on my IG story. And I just figured, why don't I make a full day of eating type of video? Let me say that I am a college student, so I am broke. Which means that I don't like to use a bunch of different fancy stuff. Like, I kind of just try to keep it simple. So I don't count calories, I don't count macros, which if you don't know what macros are, it's proteins, fats, and carbs. I like to consider myself a mindful eater. So I like to say that I'm pretty mindful with the things that I eat, and I'm always constantly, you know, trying not to consume a bunch of fast food. I try to generally keep it healthy, or healthier than I could be eating in college, because I think everybody knows in college, just keep that in mind. I'm not a nutritionist. I know with everything, like, there's always something healthier that you can do or eat. So yeah, these are the things that I like to eat throughout my day. If you like this type of video, be sure to let me know down below and I can try to do more of these videos in the future if you guys want to see more of these. So yeah, let's get into the video. So it is 9:15. It is Saturday. This is a pretty late breakfast for me because I usually eat breakfast at about 7, but today I've kind of just been hanging around because I don't have nothing to do. I am going to be making a pack of oatmeal. I get my oatmeal from Trader Joe's. This is the maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal. I know making steel cut oats would be healthiest, but I personally love this stuff and I think it's really quick to make. And has a lot of fiber in it, which is cool. And then I'm gonna have 1 banana with it as well. I get the organic bananas from Trader Joe's. I personally love organic fruit. Like, I don't know if you guys can taste the difference, but I feel like I can taste the difference. So I'm gonna have a pack of oatmeal, 1 banana with some water for my breakfast. So I just added some water. I just use water to make my instant oatmeal. I know some people use milk, but I personally like water, even though some people think it's nasty. It's healthier anyway. So I'm gonna put that in the microwave for a minute. And boom. Breakfast number 1. Sometimes I have 2 breakfasts. Sometimes I'll eat before I work out and then sometimes I'll eat after I work out. But this morning I am not going to the gym, so this is gonna be it for today. I like my oatmeal chunky. I know some people don't, but this is my personal preference. And yeah. Also, I have made it a goal of mine to drink 2 of these a day. One is 33 fluid ounces, I think. Yeah, 33.8 fluid ounces. So drinking 2 would get me to 64, which is 8 glasses of water, 8-ounce glasses of water, which is what you should be consuming every single day. So I'm going to drink probably half of this with my breakfast, and hopefully I can get through 2 today. So it is 1:50. So I'm about to eat lunch because your girl is hungry. I'm gonna make a wrap right now. I'm using these organic tortillas. And I'm gonna be using turkey, salami with some powder greens. First of all, these said they expired yesterday, but we haven't opened them yet, so hopefully I'm okay. Hopefully I don't die. And I'm just gonna put some cheese on it, some mustard. Simple, easy, healthy. Greens I want to use low-key smell a little bit suspicious to me, so I will not be using these. I'm gonna use organic baby spinach. And I'm gonna rinse it off first, of course. This wrap is turning out to be a little bit bigger than I expected, but we gotta sauce it up. And then I'm gonna wrap it up. Here is my lunch, you guys. Added some grapes. It is 4, so it's been about 2.5 hours since I ate lunch. And like I told y'all, your girl gets hungry every 2 hours. So I'm gonna make a little yogurt bowl thing. So I use Greek yogurt. My favorite yogurt is from Trader Joe's. I get the Greek 0% vanilla non-fat with some strawberries and some organic blueberries from Trader Joe's. And for my granola, I personally like to buy the granola that comes in cereal form because I feel like you get more granola than you would if you just bought like actual granola, if y'all feel me. So I like to get the one that comes in the cereal. This one isn't too bad. It does have a ton of fiber, as you can see, 20% fiber. So my diet, I've learned, consists of a lot of fiber because I love oatmeal, I love granola. So quick snack, strawberries, blueberries, granola, Greek yogurt, and this should hold me off until 7, hopefully. So I am making a vegetable pasta for dinner. I'm using this Simply Balanced organic pasta and it's boiling right now. I have some broccoli that is almost done, and then I made some ground turkey, which low-key burned a little bit, but this is a realistic what I eat in a day. And realistically, I burn probably 1 meal in a day. So this is that meal. So I'm gonna let this simmer. I'm put it on my meat and then turn it to medium and let it simmer. Ooh, this is like the best part of the meal, you guys. I am gonna put it on medium high. Okay, so I just drained my vegetable pasta. This is simmering now, so that's just about done, and these are done as well. I'm about to season them and then drain them, and then I'm gonna cut them up into smaller pieces to add them into the meat so it's not so big in the pasta. Also, the type of broccoli that I'm using is the Trader Joe's one, the organic broccoli. So I just cut the broccoli and added it in. I'm gonna mix it up and then just put this on top of the noodles. I have my containers here because this is going to be a meal prep for 3 days, I think, so for tonight and then tomorrow and the next day. So it should make 3 meals, probably 3 big meals, but yeah, super simple. This is something that takes me probably about 20 minutes to make, and you only need 3 or 4 ingredients. So this is what 3 days worth looks like. I have some extra, like probably like 1.5 servings left of meat. I never meal prep for more than 3 days just because I like to keep my food relatively fresh. So I feel like 3 days is the most that I'll meal prep for when it comes to meal prepping lunch or dinner. But basically, this is my last meal for the day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know. Let me know if you want to see more videos of what I eat in a day, and I'll be sure to let you guys know. So yeah, once again, vegetable pasta, ground turkey, pasta sauce, broccoli. 4 ingredients. I held up a 3. 4 ingredients, super easy. Definitely try it, you guys.